Morning. Welcome back. Yay. Okay, and just to review, or in case you weren't here yesterday, we want to make sure that PyOhio is a safe and welcoming place. And so we have a code of conduct, and we require that everyone participating in PyOhio adheres to the code of conduct. Um, so you can review it on the website. If there are any issues, you can report that to a staff member by emailing conduct@PyOhio, calling the number on the screen that'll ring to the 3 responders, or sending a text. Or you can find a staff member who has one of these lanyards and the staff badge. This contact information is in your program and is also on the website. So today we're going to start with a keynote, and then we have 4 tracks of talks. We have 2 tutorials. They are sold out. However, it looks like a couple people may have canceled today, so there might be a couple spots available in both of those. If you're on the wait list, line up by the door about 5 minutes before, and there's a good chance you're going to get in today. We have 2 open space rooms. The signups are in the hallway, and then we also have lightning talks at the end of the day. Those are quick 5-minute talks. Signups are also in the hallway. So the same room layout as yesterday. We have the quiet room in Brutus Buckeye across the hall if you need to get away. And then we have the 2 open space rooms, and then the talks and tutorials. This map is also in your program. And in case you missed it yesterday and you want to keep in touch with people, we do have a Slack team. You can invite yourself at slack.pyohio.org. So again, we really want to thank our sponsors. They're why we're able to do this and have the conference free for everybody to attend. So make sure you go chat with them out in the hall or visit their websites. They're all linked through from our website. Okay, and now let's get Lorena.